Hello friends and welcome to a special Prime Day edition of the Tech Packer. The deals are dropping fast, so I'm not going to waste your time. I've curated a list of my top picks for creators and travelers that are on sale right now. All the links are in the description. Let's get straight into it. First up, if your phone video is shaky, the Insta360 Flow 2 Pro is your complete answer. It's an AI-powered gimbal that makes your footage smooth and cinematic, a must-have for phone creators. And don't forget that Insta360 has a massive promotion on right now and through to July 14th. Click through to their store on Amazon from my affiliate link below, and I've got links through to their offers on the Insta360 website too. They have some sweet freebies thrown in there. Next, the Hoverair X1. This is for the solo creator who wants unique hands-free shots. It's like having a personal flying cameraman in your pocket. Incredibly smart, incredibly simple. Check out the X1 Pro 2 if you want to upgrade your experience. Now for something different, the Ultrahuman Ring Air. This isn't just tech, it's tech for your well-being. It tracks your sleep and recovery, helping you make better decisions so you can perform at your best. Let's talk about the 12 South Butterfly and PlugBug. This is my favorite travel charging combo. The Butterfly elegantly charges your iPhone and Apple Watch, and the PlugBug adapts the power brick for any country. It solves so many travel headaches. All right, let's talk storage. These portable SSDs are essential. They're fast enough to edit 4K video directly from the drive and rugged enough to trust on the road. Don't risk losing your footage. I've included the T7 from Samsung at a cheap price for 2 terabytes and a monster 8 terabyte rugged SSD from SanDisk 2. If you need a reliable, cheap, off-the-shelf, no-fuss action camera, the Osmo Action 4 is it. The color and image quality are fantastic right out of the box. It's a solid workhorse that just about gets the job done. But don't forget to check the entry-level Ace Pro from Insta360 too. This little gadget is a travel game changer. It lets you use your own wireless headphones like your AirPods with the Airplane's entertainment system. The 12 South AirFly SE is a simple, cheap fix for a massive annoyance. And finally, for your desk setup, the Elgato Wave Neo. This is the simplest way to get that clean, professional broadcast sound for your videos or calls. A huge audio upgrade made easy. Okay, that was a lot, and these deals are moving fast. I have linked every single one of these products in my top tech deals list on my Amazon storefront, and there are more bargains I found in that list, so be sure to take a look. The link is right at the top of the description below, and you'll see my other lists there too. They'll be updated several times a day throughout the 2025 Amazon Prime Day event. It's a lot of work. Now, as you know, these are affiliate links. They don't cost you anything extra, but they give a small kickback to the channel, which helps me make more videos. Thank you for your support. Grab them while you can, and I'll see you in the next one. Cheers.